Major decision by Delhi government. The Delhi government has declared a public holiday on April 14, 2025, Monday, to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution and a proponent of social justice. This decision has been taken after the approval of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi as a mark of respect towards Dr. Ambedkar's commendable contributions to the nation. Where will the holiday be applicable? According to the official notification, all Delhi government offices, autonomous bodies under Delhi administration, public sector undertakings functioning in Delhi will remain closed on April 14, 2025. Official notification details. The announcement was issued from the Delhi Secretariat and signed by Pradeep Tyagi, Joint Secretary, General Administration Department. It will also be published in the special edition of Part 4 of Delhi Gazette. A copy of the notification has already been forwarded to the Lieutenant Governor, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Speaker of the Delhi Assembly, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Municipal Commissioners, and other key administrative departments for necessary action. Why this day matters? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, born on April 14, 1891, is remembered for drafting the Indian Constitution, advocating social equality and educational empowerment, fighting against caste discrimination, inspiring the Dalit rights movement in India. This holiday is not just a day off, but an opportunity for citizens and government institutions to reflect on and embrace the principles of justice, liberty and equality that Dr. Ambedkar stood for. A day to reflect and reaffirm. With this public holiday, the Delhi government hopes to honor the visionary legacy of Dr. Ambedkar, encourage people to learn from his life and teachings, reinforce the commitment to an inclusive and equal society. April 14th will not only present a welcome break for Delhi's public sector workers, but will also serve as a reminder of Dr. Ambedkar's ageless values. As the city pauses for a day, it does so in memory of a man whose beliefs lay the cornerstone of modern India.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.